The holiday season is finally here, and that means holiday lights. In this video, I'm going to be talking about some interesting smart light solutions that I've been checking out lately that should be on your radar, and best of all, they're perfect year-round. Give this video a thumbs up if you like my video, and obviously subscribe to our YouTube channel to get all our latest content. Let me quickly tell you why smart LED light bulbs are so useful and convenient. Obviously, they provide us with light, but there's actually cost savings associated with them. LED bulbs in general have a lot more savings as far as your traditional incandescent bulb or CFL. You can also set routines. They're smart for a reason. You can have it set so that as soon as you walk in through the front door, the lights automatically turn on for you. And finally, for the holiday season, they set the mood and ambiance. You can change the colors so you get a personalized look and feel. So the first one I'm going to talk about here are Twinkly's lights, and in my opinion, they are the ultimate holiday lights. If you need something right now for the occasion, definitely check out what they have to offer. So the coolest thing about Twinkly's lights is that they are highly customizable. You use the mobile app to actually choose the colors and the patterns to whatever you want. If you want to do a strobe effect, a breathing effect, or just static lights, you could do whatever you want. And it's all done through the app, and very few lighting solutions offer this. You can even set it so that it actually dances with the beat of the music. I like them because they're really bright and vivid. They definitely stand out, and Twinkly's lights starts at $60. Now, if there's one thing that really annoys me about some smart lights is that sometimes they're just weak. They don't have enough brightness to them. But that's not a problem with the Philips Hue A21 light bulb. It's a recent addition, and it's notable because it's actually Philips Hue's brightest smart light bulb to date. So its previous versions are equivalent to a 60-watt light bulb, but with the A21, it's more equivalent to a 100-watt light bulb. And I noticed a difference between my old Philips Hue bulbs and this new A21. The difference is noticeable. It is definitely brighter, but best of all, it's only $20. Now, if you're working from home like myself, you definitely want to have a desk lamp in your home office. And for me, that is the Mi LED desk lamp. It's made by Xiaomi, the company that makes all those smartphones, and I've been using it for over a year now, and I like it for its very modern design. It's very sleek. It's also smart, so I could turn it on, off through the app, or I could tell Google Assistant to do that for me. But you could also set the color temperature of the light, so you can go from a very yellowish, warmer tone to a bluish, colder tone. Now that's useful because when you're starting your morning, you want to have something that's going to give you some energy, and that's used typically with light that's on the colder side. And as you're working throughout the day and onto the night, you probably want to set the mood so that it's a little bit on the warmer side. A common critique about smart lights is that they're expensive, but the SYLVANIA Smart Plus LED light bulbs are affordable. In fact, you could buy a 4-pack of these A19 light bulbs for $35. So you could set your whole home connected with them. I actually have my bathroom set up with these light bulbs, and I like them because they are color changing light bulbs. You could choose whatever color you want in addition to your usual daylight settings. But beyond that, they're also easy to set up. They don't require a bridge like some other lighting solutions out there. So they connect directly to your home's Wi-Fi router, and they are also compatible with Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa, so you can tell them to turn them on and off just by your voice. And the last one I'm going to talk about here is the Philips Hue Iris. It's actually classified as a desk lamp, but to me, it's not really a desk lamp. It's meant to be more of an accent piece. Definitely sets the mood for a room. If you have an existing smart lighting solution at home in a room, this is a perfect way to accent them because you could put it in corners or edges or even on top of a desk or something, and it just gives the room an added look. So the cool thing about it is that it's really bright, and the colors it produces are rich and vibrant, because some other desk lamps or similar lamps like it, they tend to be weak with the saturation, but this one, you get some piercing looking colors, and since it's part of the Philips Hue family, it is connected. So those are all the smart lighting solutions you could check out right now. And like I said at the beginning of this video, they're perfect for the entire year. If you invested into a smart home, you could definitely get some deeper integrations beyond just voice control with these smart lights. You could do some amazing things. You just got to try them out. And that is it for this video, guys. If you want to learn more about any of the stuff I talked about in this video, you can check out our website, digitaltrends.com. I'm John Velasco, and I'll see you in my next video.